Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Facebook business page. This is essential when you're working with team members, agencies, or partners who need to help manage your page, and it allows you to control exactly what level of access each person has. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're on your business homepage, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, giving you access to various account options and settings. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the core configuration options for your account. After clicking that, you'll see another menu appear, so go ahead and click on Settings again. This takes you deeper into the management area where you can fine-tune how your business page operates. Now you'll see a comprehensive list of all the settings you can customize within your Facebook business account. On the left navigation menu, locate the section labeled Audience and Visibility. This area controls who can see and interact with your page content. Within that section, click on Page Setup. This is where you'll manage the structural elements of your page, including who has permission to access and edit it. From here, look for the Page Access option and click on it. This page is your control center for managing permissions. You'll see a list of all the accounts that currently have access to your page, along with their specific roles. To give access to someone new, click on the Add New button located in the top right part of this page. When you click it, a small window will appear providing you with access sharing guidelines. These guidelines are important as they remind you about security and best practices when sharing page access. Click Next to proceed. Now it's time to add the person you want to grant access to. Simply enter the email address or the name of the user you wish to give access to in the search field provided. As you type, Facebook will begin suggesting matching profiles or email addresses. Once you see the correct person, click on their name to select them. Before finalizing, take a moment to read through the guidelines that appear. These outline what the person will be able to do once access is granted. When you're ready, click on Give Access and that's it. The user will now receive a notification and will be able to help manage your Facebook business page according to the permissions you've set. You've now successfully granted access to your Facebook business page, allowing your team or partners to collaborate effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.